Fresh rumors indicate that Samsung might push the Galaxy S26 launch forward by about a month. Reports suggest the company is considering opening pre-orders in December, aligning with the holiday shopping season. While this could be a bold strategy to capture sales from Apple's iPhones, launching that late in the year might still miss the peak buying period. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is also expected to feature the fastest charging speeds ever seen in the S series. According to tipster Anthony, the phone could fully charge from 0 to 100% in under 50 minutes, a major step forward for Samsung's flagship lineup. As for pricing, early listings point to consistency with previous models. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to cost $1,299.99 for 256 gigs, $1,419.99 for 512 gigs, and $1,659.99 for 1 TB of storage. These prices remain tentative, but they reflect Samsung's ongoing strategy of maintaining stable, premium pricing across its recent Ultra generations. Now, there's a rumor going around from leaker Panda Flash on X, suggesting that Samsung is planning to drop the traditional digitizer from the upcoming S26 Ultra. However, this claim is completely inaccurate. A more reliable source, Anthony, has clarified the situation in a recent post. Some upgrades were apparently held back on the Galaxy S26 Ultra in order to keep the spend. It's fully confirmed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will come with the S Pen, and tipster Anthony shared innovative idea for Samsung. With this in mind, I bring an innovative idea to the table for Samsung. What if you made a model focused on the S Pen and made the S Ultra the ultimate phone? Another tipster, CID, shared a tweet about S Pen. Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps the built-in S Pen. Ice Universe shared a tweet on X that shows the Exynos 2600's second benchmark score. The Exynos 2600s just popped up in a second Geekbench 6 run, and the numbers look better. Tipster Ice Universe reports a single-core score of 3,309 and a multi-core score of 11,256, with the big core clocking up to 3.8 GHz. That lines up with the screenshot from Geekbench 6.4 for Android tagged to a Samsung engineering device listed as full Android on S5E9965ERD. Digging into the sheet, the CPU topology shows 10 total cores split across 3 clusters, 6 efficiency cores at 2.76 GHz, 3 performance cores at 3.26 GHz, and 1 prime core peaking at 3.80 GHz. The governor is set to energy aware, which typically balances performance with power draw during testing. The device is running Android 16 with about 12 GB of memory, and the motherboard field reads S5E9965, matching Samsung's internal Silicon ID pattern. Let's start with the expected improvements. According to several reports, Qualcomm's upcoming flagship mobile chipset carries the model number SM8850, and it was initially believed the brand might introduce it as the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 or Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. However, a recent leak suggests Qualcomm could go with a different name. On Weibo, well-known tipster Digital Chat Station claims that Qualcomm plans to launch the SM8850 as the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This means the company's next flagship processor will officially be called Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, not Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 or Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. The S Pen has been an iconic part of Samsung's top-tier smartphones since the original Galaxy Note launched in 2011, but in 2025, its role is being questioned more than ever. Samsung has removed Bluetooth low-energy technology from the latest S Pen, which means it no longer supports air action shortcuts or remote control functions. This time, however, Samsung has launched the Galaxy S26 Ultra with Bluetooth-enabled S Pen connectivity. According to the Ice Universe on X, the Galaxy S26 Ultra features the Bluetooth S Pen connectivity. On the other hand, the company has enhanced it with Galaxy AI integration. New tools such as Drawing Assist bring noticeable improvements, boosting overall productivity when using the stylus. A user on X at Mr7SP shared a tweet which shows the first internal test build of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The information shows the model number SMS948B, which directly points to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This build carries the EUX CSC code, confirming it's for the European region. More importantly, it's running One UI 8.0 based on Android 16, which indicates Samsung is already testing its next major software upgrade on the new Ultra flagship. The build version listed is S948BXXU0AYHAS, S948BOXM0AYHA, S948BXXU0AYHA, with a build date of August 2025. This timing makes sense, as Samsung typically begins internal software testing several months before the official launch of a new Galaxy S series. Overall, this leak strongly confirms that the Galaxy S26 Ultra is in active development and already undergoing software testing with Android 16 and One UI 8.0. According to a report from Korean outlet Newsys, the Galaxy S26 Ultra may feature a refreshed yet familiar look. The design could reintroduce the camera island, last seen on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. If this proves accurate, it would mean the current water drop style layout is being retired next year. Industry speculation suggests this return of the camera island is considered an unavoidable design change for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The adjustment, after 5 years, is expected to enhance camera performance while giving the device a new visual identity. China's 3C is infamous for revealing battery and charging info of unreleased electronics. The Galaxy S26 Ultra battery with EBBS 948 ABY/E model number has surfaced on CCC, revealing the confirmed battery capacity. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a rated battery capacity of 4855 mAh, the same as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Once marketed, it will be listed as 5000 mAh, showing no change from the current flagship. Instead, the company focuses on software optimization and AI-powered tools to enhance efficiency. Thanks to these improvements, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still expected to deliver longer battery life compared to the S25 Ultra. As for charging, earlier reports suggested a major step forward. The device is expected to include 60-watt fast charging support, allowing for much quicker top-ups than before. According to well-known tipster at Universize on X, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature even rounder corners. This adjustment could make the device more comfortable to hold. While some may argue Samsung is following Apple's design direction, it's also possible the company is simply focusing on enhancing overall user comfort. Leaks also suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be thinner and lighter than the S25 Ultra. When paired with the smoother edges, this could result in a more enjoyable in-hand feel. That said, reports indicate the device may also be taller and wider, which could offset some of these gains. We'll likely have a clearer picture once official renders are released, offering better insight into Samsung's design choices. According to Panda Flash Pro, Samsung is reportedly preparing to remove the S Pen from its Ultra lineup starting with the Galaxy S27 Ultra. This rumor follows the company's earlier step of reducing stylus functionality with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. A user on Thread 1 Lewis Glemons shared a post on hearing rumors that Samsung may discontinue the S Pen for good starting by next year. They already removed Bluetooth features from the S Pen of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but I usually call it Note, not Ultra. If these rumors are true, then I'm keeping my Galaxy S24 Note for as long as I possibly can. I'll never switch to the next Samsung smartphone ever again. Please don't do this, Samsung. The S Pen is the main reason why I usually get your stylish flagship smartphones. In the S25 Ultra, the S Pen no longer includes Bluetooth support, which meant the loss of features like air actions, gesture controls, and remote functions. If reports hold true, the shift could go even further. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.